Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2019 Dodge Journey Crossroad all-wheel drive, stock number E2566P. 27,000 miles on this Journey, comes to us with a clean auto check history report, pitch black in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 3-year 36,000 mile bumper to bumper and 5-year 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. Journey seats 7. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Rear heat and air control to make sure everyone's comfortable. Additional in-floor storage with removable bins for easy cleaning. Middle row seats will fold flat for additional cargo space, as well as tilt and slide forward, making it easy to get to the third row. Rear wiper, washer, and defrost for excellent visibility, and backup camera for additional safety. 50-50 split folding rear seat. Folds flat easily, giving you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This Crossroad has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices, 3-zone automatic temperature control, driver, passenger, and rear heat and air. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And this is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things used most often. USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect those media devices. Automatic transmission, manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. And a large glove box with all the owner's materials. Under the hood, this Journey has a 3.6 liter V6, 283 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates: an average of 16 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 24 on the highway, and approximately 30% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Journey, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.